Without further ado, long time I do a yard video. All like pumpkin when I do water to dry up. Weather. Guys, tell you the truth, I want a tank, I want a water tank. Anybody can sponsor me a water tank. Feel free to do so. Everything dry down. So, we'll clean up and rebuild back again. Place and clean up back. Look at tree right there, so beautiful plantain in the spot here. Look at it. Yeah, right there, so I'm gonna go on with some look up nursery thing away, you know? Just a look at how much I think. Just I got some pop chow, but I guess the more plant out something bigger now. Some look up plants here. Got some sorrel for this Christmas. And somebody see them now, boss. Yeah, just a look at how much I nursery thing. But salvage your old wash pan. Stay tuned. Catch you and get some dirt in this thing. Guys, so before I start do some work, yeah, I put on some coffee. Yeah, I'm not too long rising in the morning, you know. Yeah, Saturday morning, so I just do some work in the yard. Done a bowl of coffee first. Just have some construction work to do over here, so see where black pocket. Yeah, everything. Tree them I get all growing on the place. Should be there out the road, I look minimum wage job for try. So stay in the living, you know? Should I beer up and thing. Yeah, that's a no-no for the summer. So stay tuned. I get some tea line up, some coffee tea. Alright. Alright, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Just I go through. See me can make it place. Just clean up a little bit. So I'm start up a walk here now. Remember them side of pear pumpkin. Yeah, at least I have one boom tree still standing. Yeah, the driveway that tree don't have the water. I don't have no tank. Yeah, so anybody can sponsor a tank. You wanna fall along driveway that plantain tree this now guys. Yeah, but no water, it dry out. Sun. And then I get water for weeks. The breeze blow it down, because it's not strong enough. I have a couple of banana trees and I say dry with the same with no water. So I really need a tank for you. No joke guys, as you can see. Try to clean up a little bit. Yeah man, right got you. Because I rebuild back again. Even though we never finish build. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, I might show now when I clean up, or I might show now when I finish clean up, but eventually we have to clean up regardless. Yeah, we have some work to go and do here. So. Some black pocket for fill out and so forth. Work for cutting up and look at one room. Yeah, 3 rooms here. So a whole heap of work for one man guys. So if you can support. Guys, if you like this kind of video, remember to thumbs up the video, like, share and subscribe. You're out here, I keep pushing in the work. Guys, look on the view now. Yeah, we do a look at thing, go through the walker. Just want to look at rake up now. As you can see guys. Yeah, I look up potted plant, it's still standing. Put it up on a rock. Put it up on a block. So I'll go on for the little nursery around here, so yeah, I'll get them things out of the cup and I'll go plant them right here. So that's make a little bed right here. So there's be no more planting can grow right here. So them now really progress right here. So I'll shift up the plant them. In a portion of earth still. The fire people. But I get hungry now. So I'll line up some food. So I got some cucumber right here. And some other little plant. That's sorry here, so. So that's one people. Then that tub right here. We're gonna make a look of nursery like can plant some vegetable in it. Yeah, so stay tuned for all of that. Yeah, we're gonna see all of that right here. So I'm gonna just put it here. So I'll get the barrel and fill it up with dirt. Yeah man, and so forth. Just like how I have this plant in this bucket. Yeah, we're gonna have some vegetable in that right there. Stay tuned and watch your God. If you like this kind of video, like, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. So right now I'm gonna line up some food right now. Yeah, I'm gonna get some rice, some chicken. Stay tuned for that. Watch your God.